So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get $30 by referring a friend here on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app's opened up in the top right, there's the bell icon, and beside that there's the gift icon or the present icon. Press that. That'll bring you to the rewards page right here where it says refer a friend, get $30. That's what you're looking for here, so go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, you're going to see your referral code. So mine's right here. If I were to go ahead and press share or copy this and send it to people, you can actually get $30 if a friend signs up and satisfies the conditions here. So if you were to scroll down a little bit, it says $30 cash. Pay within 7 days when friends get verified. Spend $20 or more with their KOHO account. They'll get 3 months free of KOHO everything. There also is terms and conditions of frequently asked questions. But basically, if you can successfully refer a friend, you get $30. I do believe they get $30 as well, if I'm not mistaken. So both people benefit, and it's a pretty simple way, pretty passive way to get a little bit of cash by getting successful referrals in this case here. But pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to get $30 by referring friends here on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.